That's it.
Goes for a big shot, but fielder coming under it and takes it quite easily, positions himself well, sets himself up with that solid base. Left-hander.
Looking to take it on from outside the off stump. It's a boom, 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 a golden wicket. The bat face closing a little too early and hence the top edge.
Goes for that big hit, but the fielder made his ground.
Had a feeling that this one would have hit the middle of the bat, but it hit the toe end of the bat. The angle had done the trick here. Good catch in the end by Kishore.
Vignesh to complete his quota.
That's it, nice now. Yeah!
Taken. He started the ball rolling, Ashwin, with a diving catch at mid-on and plucks that out.
Vignesh wanted to take the matter into his hands, tried to create the room, hit it really flat and hard to Ashwin. A very good catch. He was few yards inside.